How to earn from affiliate marketing as a student. In today's digital age, students are constantly on the lookout for ways to make money online without compromising their studies. One of the most popular and effective methods is affiliate marketing, a flexible, low-cost online income stream that can be scaled over time. If you're a student looking to earn some cash from your dorm room or even your phone, here's a complete guide to getting started. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other people's, or companies', products and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. It's essentially you recommending products you believe in, and getting rewarded when someone makes a purchase through your link. Why it's perfect for students. Low startup cost, no need for inventory, shipping, or customer service. Flexible schedule, work around your classes and exams. Skill building, you'll learn about digital marketing, content creation, SEO, and more, skills that can boost your resume. Step-by-step guide to start earning. 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, tech gadgets, fashion, books, fitness, or even student productivity tools. A clear niche helps you attract a targeted audience. 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. There are countless programs, but here are a few beginner-friendly ones. Amazon Associates, wide range of products. Shareasel, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, Udemy Affiliate Program, great if you want to promote online courses. 3. Create a platform. Choose how you'll promote your affiliate links. Blog. Start a free blog using platforms like WordPress or Medium. YouTube channel, great for reviews, tutorials, and how-tos. Instagram, TikTok, post product reviews, lifestyle content, or helpful tips with affiliate links in bio. Email list, build a simple newsletter offering value to subscribers and including affiliate offers. 4. Create valuable content. Focus on helping your audience, not just selling. Examples include, top 5 budget laptops for college students. How I stay organized in school, with tools I use. Best books for self-improvement that actually helped me. 5. Drive traffic. Share your content on social media, join forums or groups related to your niche, and use SEO techniques if you're blogging to get organic traffic from Google. 6. Track your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics or the affiliate program's dashboard to track clicks, conversions, and income. This helps you see what's working and what to improve. Tips for success. Be honest. Only promote products you trust or have researched. Your reputation matters. Stay consistent. It takes time to build trust and traffic. Learn and improve. Watch tutorials, follow affiliate marketing blogs, and test new strategies. Don't spam. Focus on genuine recommendations, not pushing links everywhere. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is one of the smartest ways for students to earn money online. It allows you to build a passive income stream, gain practical marketing skills, and potentially grow a long-term online business. Start small, stay consistent, and you might just turn your side hustle into something much bigger. Unlock your earning potential. Why students should start affiliate marketing today. In today's digital world, students have more opportunities than ever to earn money online, and affiliate marketing is one of the smartest, most flexible, and potentially lucrative paths available. Whether you're trying to pay off tuition, save for travel, or just want to build a side hustle that could grow into something big, affiliate marketing is a low-risk, high-reward strategy that's perfect for students. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services online and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link. You don't need to create a product or handle customer service, you simply promote and earn. Imagine recommending a book you love, a gadget you use daily, or a software that's helped you study better. Now imagine getting paid every time someone buys it based on your suggestion. That's affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing perfect for students? 1. Low startup cost. All you need is a phone, laptop, and internet connection. No upfront investment, no warehouse, no inventory. It's accessible to everyone, even on a tight student budget. 2. Flexible schedule. Whether you have 30 minutes between classes or a free weekend, you can work on your own terms. It's a hustle you control, and it fits perfectly into a busy student life. 3. Learn real-world skills. You'll develop skills in content creation, marketing, SEO, analytics, and sales, all highly valuable whether you continue with affiliate marketing or apply for jobs later. 4. Unlimited earning potential. Unlike a part-time job with fixed pay, affiliate marketing has no ceiling. The more effort and strategy you put in, the more you can earn. Some students make enough to cover rent, others go full-time after graduation. 5. Passive income. The dream. Once your links are out there, on blogs, videos, or social media, they can keep earning you money while you sleep, study, or travel. How to get started. 1. Choose your niche. Focus on something you're interested in: fashion, fitness, tech, student life, gaming, anything that excites you and has an audience. 2. Pick affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Sharizal, or individual brand partnerships. Many brands love working with students because of the unique voice and audience. 3. Create content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram page. Share valuable content, reviews, tutorials, or honest recommendations. 4. Drive traffic. Learn how to attract people to your content through SEO, social media, or even email marketing. The more eyes on your content, the more clicks you'll get. 5. Stay consistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency and patience, you'll see results, often faster than you think. Final thoughts. As a student, you're already resourceful, adaptable, and used to learning new things, skills that make you perfect for affiliate marketing. It's more than just a way to make extra money, it's a chance to build something real, something that could turn into a career or fund your dreams. Start small, stay consistent, and believe in what you can build. The online world is full of opportunities. Affiliate marketing is your ticket in success.